How to make and sell an NFT is something a lot of artists and designers are exploring as a potential new avenue for creative business. NFT art continues to make headlines when pieces fetch mind-blowing prices in auctions or drops. Even traditional auction houses like Christie's have held NFT art auctions involving huge sums of money, and brands are working with artists and designers to create NFT as part of their strategies to enter the metaverse. It might still all seem very strange, but what seemed like it might be a short-lived fad shows no sign of petering out. So if non-fungible tokens are here to stay, at least for now, is it time to look at how to make and sell an NFT as a possible route for your own creative work? We would first point out that the prices achieved by artists like Beeple or by well-known collectible NFT, such as CryptoPunks, are still relatively rare, and that there are a lot of fees involved in generating, maintaining, and selling an NFT. In fact, you may find the fees eat up a large portion of any sale price, and they could even leave you out of pocket depending on how much you sell your NFT for. That said, more and more artists, illustrators, and designers are making money from selling NFT, so it may be something you wish to consider. In the guide below, we'll walk you through how to make an NFT of your work and how to sell an NFT through an online auction. You can take a look at our pick of the best NFT artwork for inspiration. And if you're still not clear on what a non-fungible token really is, we'd recommend reading our What Are NFT Explainer sure you're clued up before going any further. If you are ready to dive in and try your luck, read on for our step-by-step guide to how to make and sell an NFT. How to make and sell an NFT? First, you'll need to make or mint your NFT. To make an NFT of your artwork, you'll need to choose an NFT platform and a payment wallet, the latter of which you'll need to use to pay fees and to receive any payment if you're lucky enough to sell your NFT. There are lots of online platforms you can use to make and sell an NFT. Some of the most popular NFT auction platforms include OpenSea, Rarible, pictured above, Super Rare, Nifty Gateway, Foundation, Vi3, Bakery Swap, Axie Marketplace, and NFT Showroom. See our guide to NFT marketplaces for a comparison of some of the most popular options. There are plenty of NFT payment platforms too, with Coinbase, MetaMask, Taurus, Porties, Wallet Connect, My Ether Wallet, and Formatic some of the best known. For illustrative purposes, we'll show the process involved in making and selling an NFT using the NFT platform Rarible and the cryptocurrency payment platform MetaMask. Note that these two platforms are chosen purely to show how the process works, and it doesn't mean we're saying they're the best service to use. You could consider using any of the platforms mentioned above, and many more besides, and in most cases, you'll follow a similar process. We recommend checking the fees involved as closely as possible before choosing. We'll come back to the fees later. 1. Buy some cryptocurrency to fund your wallet. All of the NFT auction platforms mentioned above will want paying upfront to mint an NFT, which is the process that turns your artwork into a non-fungible token that you can sell. In most cases, payment must be made in cryptocurrency, which means that before you have a chance of earning any cryptocurrency by selling an NFT of your work, you'll need to buy some in order to cover the fees. Ether, abbreviated as ETH, is the most commonly accepted currency since it's the native cryptocurrency of the open-source blockchain platform Ethereum, which is where NFT first launched. However, some platforms are starting to accept a variety of payment formats and to create NFT using different blockchains. See our guide to NFT Crypto to learn more on which might be best for you. If you already own some ETH, you'll need to make sure you have it in a digital wallet, which you'll need to connect to your chosen NFT platform to make and receive payments. If you don't have currency, there are a lot of cryptocurrency exchanges out there where you can buy ETH or other currencies, but the quickest and easiest option is usually to buy ETH directly with your digital wallet of choice. As we mentioned, there are many options for this, but to illustrate the process, we'll use MetaMask, which is available as a browser extension and as a mobile app. If you prefer to use another service, or if you already have a digital wallet and know how it works, jump straight to step 4. Otherwise, We'll talk you though how to set up your wallet and buy ETH in the next step. 2. Create a digital wallet to pay for your NFT. You'll be asked to confirm that you wish to create a new wallet and seed phrase. Don't worry too much about what seed phrase means. It's basically a list of words that stores blockchain information. Say yes, then it's simply a matter of agreeing to the terms, creating a password, and making your way through some security measures. Then you'll have your account set up. 3. Add some cryptocurrency to your wallet. Once you set up your MetaMask wallet or any digital wallet, you'll need to add some ETH to it. If you don't already own some ETH, you'll need to buy some now. So click on the Buy button and select the option Buy ETH with Wire. You'll be taken to a screen where you can use either Apple Pay or a debit card to buy ETH. Note that if you'd rather not part with any money yet, you can leave this stage until later. It just requires a little more faff. You'll want to check your chosen NFT platform's fees to know how much you'll need to buy. The jargon involved in the cryptocurrency world can make this part of learning how to make and sell an NFT quite daunting, but buying currency is actually very easy to do. Just be aware that like Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies, the value of Ether can fluctuate hugely. In 2021 alone, the price of one ETH has gone from under $1,000 to around $4,700 at the time of writing, with many peaks and troughs on the way. It's perfectly possible for the price of the currency to swing by several hundreds of US dollars in just a few hours. 4. Connect your wallet to an NFT platform. Most digital wallets work in a similar way. Whichever one you've chosen, you'll need to connect it to the NFT platform that you'll use to sell the NFT. For illustrative purposes, we're using Rarible, but there are many other NFT platforms to choose from, and the process will generally be similar to what we outlined below. Go to rarible.com, shown above. In the right-hand corner of the screen, there's a button that reads Connect Wallet. Click there, and on the next screen, you'll be asked for your wallet provider, which in our case is MetaMask. A pop-up will give you the option to connect your wallet with Rarible. Click Next, then Connect, accept the terms of service, and confirm you're over 13 years old. 5. Upload the file you want to turn into an NFT. So now you have a wallet connected with ETH to make payment. You're ready to know how to make and sell an NFT. On the Rarible site, click the blue Create button at the top right. You'll then be given options to create a single, one-off work or to sell the same item multiple times. In this example, we'll opt for a single. Now you need to upload the digital file that you want to make into an NFT. Rarible accepts PNG, GIF, WEP, MP4, and MP3 files, up to 30 MB in size. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.